The DCC Cylinder series, a perfect marriage of brilliant illumination and beautiful design, is now DMF's most versatile product yet. Still offering 4 mounting options in 3 different sizes, and as always, powered by DMF's exceptional LED technology. DMF now offers brand new trim and shade options, along with a brilliant new uplight feature. An edgeless hyperbolic trim, a focus increasing snoot, a variety of round and flat shades, and beautiful acrylic decorative trims that add ambiance to any space. The DCC has reached a level of flexibility, customization, and diversity unmatched in the industry, an evolution in a truly timeless product. Whether you're putting in a new shade or a new trim, DMF's tool-free twist and lock technology makes customization fast and secure. Everything is plug and play, including our LED modules with integrated drivers that can be swapped out without rewiring or an electrician. And beyond the cylinder itself, you now have a variety of beam angles and new lumen outputs to choose from. Mix and match options to create the light you need for the space you want. The new DCC series, an evolution in simplicity.